Hey YouTube, we're going to do Cate LeBon, and the song's called No God. I don't know whether it's No God or No God. I don't know. I don't think we should assume. But that's the riff that she plays on the guitar as part of that. The riff is part of this kind of larger chord riff, which is like E, D, E, 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 D, E. And I'm just playing this kind of A-shaped chord. Right? And instead of playing it like that, like an A, I'm just playing it with my ring finger and my index finger. Now I watch her play it. She plays it like this. She's playing it. She's got 3 fingers, and she's fretting the high E, and then she's sliding back and forth. Cause that's probably just how she is used to playing it. She probably learned it that way and just plays it that way. When you play it like this, you're not getting that high E, and you have to play it like this. And this is kind of how she's playing. See, she's getting that high E in there. So, me, I'm not too worried about that high E. So I'm just playing it like this. And I'm muting that high E. So that's the riff. E, 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 D, E, E. All right, and then this is really just like kind of like playing some single notes out of this. She's outlining this E, A-shaped E. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all on the B string. It's 9, 7, 9, 7. And then it goes 9, 7 on the G. 9, 7 on the D. Okay, and then it goes from that 9, it goes to the D chord, back to the E. Okay, so that's a lot of the verses that just, when she's singing, she just goes to playing the chords. That's what she's doing when she's singing. She's not, that riff is only played a couple times. And she always has 2 guitars. Whenever I see her playing, she's playing guitar and at least one other person is playing guitar. So you're probably hearing multiple overlays on that recording. Okay, the other part to the verse is this little alright, well, I just played it as A, G, B minor, E. And that's how she's playing it when I've seen her play it live. And it won't sound the same if you play it because you're getting the bass notes descending. So it's not really. If you want to get the sound, you gotta play the bar chords. And then, so that's the verse. The chorus kind of starts out with that D riff, the E. All right. Chorus starts out with one last E D E riff. Then it goes D, B minor, A, E. So it's using a lot of the same chords, but in a different order. I saw a face. D, B minor, A, E. Right, and that just repeats like 4 times, and that's the chorus. All right, and let's just talk about this, why the song sounds so funky. The reason is the melody is basically being in a different key than the guitar riffs. If you listen to the melody, it's we could say it's an E major. I am playing C sharp minor. If you figure out the melody on the guitar, that's what she's singing. She's singing like melodies like that. Okay, while the guitar is playing this. Okay, the guitar is playing in B. The guitar is playing like D riffs, right? Because we get the D. And then she's singing E major melody. So that's why the song sounds kind of freaky. Funky in a good way. Freaky in a good way. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.